Welcome back to another journey through the National Gallery of Canada. In this episode, we're exploring three extraordinary works that challenge the way we see color, memory, and sound. From the meditative hues of Mark Rothko to the layered history of Frank Bowling's Middle Passage and the immersive experience of Janet Cardiff's 40-part Motet, these pieces invite us into new dimensions of artistic expression. Let's begin. Our first work is number 16 by Mark Rothko, a master of color field painting. At first glance, the piece might seem simple, just blocks of color. But Rothko's work is about emotion, contemplation, and the experience of looking. He wanted viewers to immerse themselves in the colors and to feel rather than analyze. Here we see deep oranges and reds melting into darker tones, creating a kind of atmospheric tension. Rothko's technique of layering thin washes of paint gives the work a soft glow. As if the colors are radiating outward. He once said, "A painting is not a picture of an experience. It is an experience." When you stand before number 16, you're not just looking at a painting. You're stepping into an emotional space. Next, we have Middle Passage by Frank Bowling, a work that blends abstraction with deeply personal and historical narratives. Bowling, a British Guyanese artist, is known for his vibrant use of color and innovative techniques. This piece, created in 1970, reflects the history of the transatlantic slave trade, the Middle Passage, referring to the brutal journey endured by enslaved Africans. Bowling's painting is alive with movement and washes of red, blue, and gold bleeding into one another. The composition suggests both fluidity and fragmentation, mirroring the themes of migration, displacement, and identity. There's an almost map-like quality to the surface, hinting at the global roots of history and memory. His work is a powerful reminder that abstraction can still hold deep, personal, and political meaning. For our final piece, we step into an entirely different experience, Janet Cardiff's 40-part motet. Unlike the paintings we've seen so far, this is a sound installation that transforms the gallery into a living, breathing choral performance. Cardiff has taken a 16th century choral composition by Thomas Tallis and broken it into 40 separate recordings, each played from an individual speaker arranged in a circle. As you walk through this space, you don't just hear the music, you inhabit it. You can stand next to a single voice, move through harmonies, or step back and take in the full arrangement. This piece is about presence and absence, the intimacy of individual voices, and the collective power of harmony. It invites you to slow down, to listen deeply, and to experience sound as a physical and emotional force. Whether through color, texture, or sound, each piece challenges us to engage in a new way. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art journeys. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.